Hello all, welcome back again to SZ Academy. Today we are going to talk about a few more functions. We're going to talk about rank, small, large, and percent rank. So I'm going to start with the small and large function first, which returns the nth smallest or the largest values within an array. Formula syntax wise, there's two components. You have your data array and the rank of the number you are trying to return. So in this case, if I write large, which is here from C2 to C11 comma 3, it's going to look for the third largest number within an array, which is from C2 through the C11. It looks at the array, finds that 15, the third largest number, and returns the value 15. Same story with the small one as well. It's just kind of flipped. So if I write small equals to small, then C2 to C11 comma 3, it's going to look for the third smallest number in the array, which is in this case we can say 8. um, rank, you can see here rank work with a similar way. It kind of gives you a similar insights. Again, two components of the formula. You start with kind of the cell of interest, or the value that you are trying to find the rank of, which is followed by the array in which that value lives. So by writing rank c2 comma c2 to 11, which is fixed, we are looking for the rank of the value in C2. In the context of the array from C2 to C11, so that would return 8, because the value in C2, which is 8, is the eighth highest value in the array. Likewise, 16 have the second highest value, that is the second rank for that. And it kind of follows from there. You will note that the rank of 7, like within C2, uh, this is this one, through C11, which one is that, Shane 20, which indicates that it's the highest value in the array. And the rank of this C4 gives me the 10, which indicates that it's the lowest value, which is this. um, next next one is the percent rank. So let's go with the percent rank. It works just like the rank, except it returns the rank of the value as a percentage of a given array or data set. So this formula syntax is little bit different, but again pretty simple, just two components. It starts with the array. So what range of data are you looking at, and then the second piece is just noted with an x, and that's which value within the range do you care about. And so it's going to tell me what's the percentage rank of the value x is within the contents of the given array. So if I wrote a percent rank formula in column D here, in this latest screenshot, you can see here on the screen, I'm going to see 100% for the value that's the highest in the array. So in this case it's a C7, which is 20. You can see it's the highest math marks here, which correspond to 100% marks, sorry, 100% rank. So same thing, the lowest value will return the 0% rank, which is the 5 math marks 5. So let's jump into an Excel, back to the basic stat functions, which we just saw earlier in the last lecture. Or for if you want to see that lecture, the link is in the I button. Just go and watch it out. So so far now we just go to the stats function tab and we can just find out the fifth highest salary first. So I'm going to use equals. We want the highest one, so large. So the array, it's going to be the salary column, which is from which salary tab. So we can just select this one as this one, and I want the, and from this I want the fifth largest value. So I'm going to write comma 5. Just enter. So you can see here it's like over 2,74,000, which is the fifth highest salary in the data set we have. Same deal to find the 50th lowest salary, and here is the small function we gonna use. So equal to small, then the array which is in the salary tab, column C, comma. We need to find the 50th small salary. So we just need to use 50, type 50. So it's parenthesis close, enter. So the output is more than 2,80,000 dollars, which is just about minimum. It is the 50th lowest value. So there you go. That's a small and large. Let's jump into the salary tab and fill. Like we need to fill the column D and E to calculate the rank and percentage. So what I want to do is find the rank of each associate salary as a part of the larger range. So for this one, I'm going to start with equals in the rank column, equals the rank. Sorry, parenthesis open. So it's asking for the number, which in this case is C2. Just tag over C2, comma, and then the reference, which is the full array in which it lives. So we have like we here's an important distinction. First of all, I'm going to use a shortcut that I just taught you in the starting sessions. If you want that to look at, just go to the I button tab and just look at those sessions. We are going to select here C2 again, hold it with the control and shift and the down arrow. It will select all the things. And we need to there is a second, I mean another piece is here that I need to do is the fix the reference. So without touching anything, I'm going to press F4, and as you can see it fixed that entire array from C2 through C51, but I'm leaving the C2 as a relative reference, the first one number as a number which is using. And you will see why I'm using that one. Just a minute. So I close it off, the parenthesis, hit the enter button, and I'm done with my rank formula. So this telling me that this first employee is Maria Cheson as the seventh highest salary in the dataset we have. So now, because I set my reference and thought about them as I was writing the formula, I should be able to just double click to apply this formula down. And as you can see, the only thing changing in my formula is the reference to my values. Here you can see C3, C4, C5. These are the references which are changing to my values. So that's what I want to be changing, but I don't want the entire array to be shifting, which is fixed, you can see here, or I mean shifting down or changing. So as I move this formula, so this is working properly, you can see that. Now the next one is percent rank. So in the percent rank, I'm going to do a really similar thing here. You can type equals, then percent rank. Where is it? The last one, tab, then open up the parentheses. Start with an array, which is we want the array. So array is from C2, then control plus shift plus down. So we need to fix this array. So by using function F4 key, then comma, then you can see it shows X, which is the value that I care about now. I'm just going to page over to the C2, and that's the value we want. So close the parentheses, press enter, and just press down. So there you go. If you look at the percentage ranking compared against the salaries, you will see that it makes sense. The highest percentage ranks, which is 100%, You may see must be here, which is for the Davian. It's having a salary around $280,000, yeah, and more. Whereas the lowest salary is 0%, which is having 1,04,800 and something. So which have the 0%. So there you go, small, large, rank, and the percent and functions. uh, all we learn. So thank you all for watching this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel to SZ Academy. For other free courses, please mention in the comment box to create those courses free for you. Thank you all.